Have you ever wondered how to win people over? It's a skill that can open countless doors, whether in your personal life or professional career. Today we delve into 15 strategies that can help turn the tide in your favor. 1. Show genuine interest. Nothing builds rapport faster than showing genuine interest in someone else. Consider the friend who always asks about your day and really listens to your response. It's a simple act, but it makes you feel valued and appreciated. 2. Be a good listener. Active listening involves not just hearing words, but also understanding the thoughts and feelings behind them. It's about making the other person feel heard and understood. 3. Embody positivity. Positivity is contagious. It's hard not to be drawn to someone who radiates positivity, who sees the glass as half full, and who can always find a silver lining. 4. Be reliable. Trust is a cornerstone of any relationship. When you prove yourself to be reliable, people naturally gravitate towards you. 5. Show empathy. Empathy is the ability to understand and share the feelings of others. It's a priceless skill that allows you to connect with people on a deeper level. 6. Praise others. A well-timed compliment can work wonders. It shows that you notice and appreciate the good in others. 7. Be respectful. Respect is about acknowledging the feelings and rights of other people. It's about treating others as you would like to be treated. 8. Be adaptable. Being able to adapt to different situations and people is a valuable skill. It shows that you're open-minded and flexible. 9. Show humility. Humility is about recognizing that you're not always right and that others have valuable contributions to make. 10. Be patient. Patience is a virtue, especially when dealing with people. It shows that you value the other person's time and perspective. 11. Show gratitude. A simple thank you can go a long way. It shows that you appreciate the efforts of others. 12. Be honest. Honesty fosters trust and respect. It's about being true to your word and standing by your principles. 13. Be confident. Confidence attracts people. It's about believing in yourself and your abilities. 14. Show commitment. When you're committed to something, you're willing to put in the effort and time to see it through. And 15. Be yourself. Authenticity is attractive. When you're true to yourself, people are drawn to your genuineness. In essence, winning people over revolves around building trust, showing respect, and creating a positive environment. It's about being genuine, patient, and empathetic. It's about being reliable, adaptable, and confident. And above all, it's about being yourself. Because there's no one else quite like you. So go out there and win people over, one interaction at a time.